Hi, I'm Jim, and this is another Meteo Minute. Today, we're giving you a sneak peek into some of the changes that are happening inside of MetX, and we have heard you loud and clear. You wanted better copy and paste of dashboards. You wanted better tagging. You wanted better organization in general of MetX and the dashboards. Check, check, and check. We've heard you loud and clear. So, the first thing I want to show you is right here. All of our dashboard cards are easy to see, they're easy to organize, and take a look at that. Rename, duplicate, delete. Right there, easy to use. Plus, yeah, that green plus means you can now add tags. So let's say I want to type in, I don't know, energy. Done. And let's say I want to tag my energy dashboard. Boom. Now, all I got to do if I want to look at all of my energy dashboards is simply create a tag, highlight it, and now exactly what we need is right there. So since we're there, let's go ahead and dive right into our energy dashboard. Also, take a look at this. We now have all of our tabs in a vertical alignment. You can find exactly what you need. Solar, wind. Want to take a look at tropical storms? Maybe you're in the North American region and you're noticing that things are getting kind of crazy. Yeah, boom, you got it right there. You can just go ahead and click on your tab and see exactly what you need. Now, obviously, you also notice on the left-hand side of your screen right here, you now have that whole feed of dashboards, just making things a heck of a lot easier to find. You can also use your tags there as well. So we're making things a lot easier for you. Of course, we are listening to you and making sure that you have exactly what you need to make your life easier inside of MetX. And by the way, MetX is a web data visualization tool. This is right there in your browser.